Estrogens are hormones that are important for sexual and reproductive development, mainly in women. The primary function of estrogens is the development of female secondary sexual characteristics. These include breasts, endometrium, regulation of the menstrual cycle, and so on. We hear a lot about estrogen. Jokes are made about it. We learn that it has something to do with cancer. It is vital to our bodies, but we really don't understand it. And truth be known, we are kind of afraid of this extremely important hormone. We hear words like estrogen dominance and hormone imbalance, which, when you evaluate it, simply means that your body may have just a little bit more estrogen than it does the other two vital hormones, testosterone and progesterone. But a little bit of an imbalance can be a great big deal. More than 15 forms of natural estrogen have been identified, including the top 3, which are estrone, estradiol, and estriol. Each of these 3 estrogens has particular functions. The first, estradiol, the predominant form in non-pregnant reproductive females, primarily aids in the cyclic release of eggs from the ovaries. In other words, it helps you ovulate. Estradiol has beneficial effects on the heart, bone, brain, and colon. Reduction in the level of estradiol causes common menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes and night sweats. The second estrogen we want to talk about is estrone. It's produced in the ovaries and fat cells. It is the dominant estrogen in postmenopausal women, and it is the one most associated with hormone-based cancers. The third estrogen is estriol. It is secreted in large quantities by the placenta during pregnancy. However, it is a comparatively weak estrogen and the form of estrogen least associated with hormone-related cancers. In Europe and Japan, estriol is frequently used for hormone replacement therapy. How does estrogen affect menopause? About 6 months to a year before your periods stop, your estrogen starts to decline. When it drops past a certain point, your menstrual cycle stops. After a year of no menstrual periods, you are said to have reached menopause. There are several changes in a woman's body that take place during this time. At times, these changes can be uncomfortable and you search for relief. We have found ways to mitigate the discomfort and create a more natural, comfortable approach to balancing all of the hormones so women can enjoy and appreciate this special season in their life. Luminology is the expert in the science of her.